What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you guys how I detail my car and the process of that. Also I'm going to show you guys the products that I use, and all the products will be linked in the description below for your convenience. So if you want to check them out, go for it. But first, before we get into it, I'm going to go ahead and go to Walmart to see if I can get a sunshade. I've been wanting one of those so I don't have to wait until it's either sunrise or sunset when I can wash my car, since I don't have luxury of washing it inside. So let's go to Walmart and check them out. And we got the sunshade. So I went with a 12 by 12 instead of a 10 by 10, just so I could have as much area to work as possible. So we got the shade up, covers most of the car. And this will be super helpful, especially during the summer here in Florida. See, I haven't washed my car in probably about a month and a half, just because of all the craziness going on. Working from home a lot, so it's not really a daily driver for me anymore. But I made sure it's nice and dirty for you guys. Just a bunch of dust. So first I'm going to go ahead and do the wheels, because that's the dirtiest part of the car, and I only have 2 buckets, I don't have 3, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this one with the grit guard, just so I can empty this when I go wash the body of the car. So the tools I use is this little brush for the tires. Let's clean the tires with that. Got my wheel gerbil, the inside of the rim. And then I pretty much just use a clean microfiber just to clean the surface, along with this little brush too, to get in all the details. And as of lately, I've been using this brake buster by P&S Detailing. It's been working really well, so let's show you guys how it works. I'm pretty sure these cars do about 80% of their braking up front, hence why the front wheels are way dirtier than the back wheels. spray this stuff on my tailpipes right here. Just trying to get some of that exhaust grime off. Oh yeah, you can see it dripping. All that brown dirt and smut. So I'd like to take my wheel gerbil, just get it around the pipes. Take my microfiber. Try to get in there a little bit. Time to move on to the wash. So we got a citrus washing gloss by Chemical Guys. Actually just used the last of that. And we got just the garden hose foam sprayer. Of course, the 2-bucket method with grit guards. And 2 microfiber mitts. So let's go ahead and rinse the car down first. Try to get some dirt off of that before we go ahead and spray some foam on it. Alright, so this is my favorite part. Once I dried most of the car with the electric blower, I go ahead and wipe up the rest with some Bead Maker. So if this is your first time applying this, you want to use a pretty heavy amount. But I already put a base layer on my car, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray mostly just on the towel, because here in Florida with the humidity, you don't want to spray too much on the paint, or else you'll get kind of like a residue left behind. One spritz on the paint. Coat my microfiber. So yeah, if you use too much here in the Florida heat and humidity, it'll just leave kind of some smears on it that you'll be able to see. But I really love this stuff. Really makes the paint pop. This is super shiny and super smooth to the touch. So I'll pretty much go around the whole car with the Bead Maker, and I'll show you guys the finished results. Man, I'm loving how clean my wheels are now. We got no curb rash. We got the perfect center cap. Starting to get dark, but of course I'm going to finish it off with some tire shine and this helpful tool. So I'll just spray a little bit on the applicator and then just work it around. Yeah, this tire shine works really well. It doesn't sling up like some other ones do. It soaks into the tire. But obviously if you use too much tire shine and you don't dry it off, then it could definitely sling up some black spots onto your paint. That's why it's important not to have it too wet to where it's dripping off when you drive away. Alright guys, so I got the maintenance wash done, out of the way, and that's pretty much my process. I didn't have any ceramic coating on the car yet. I will do that in the future, but I pretty much just had Jet Seal and Bead Maker. So that's the paint protectants that I have on there right now. And I really love Bead Maker. That chemical is awesome. It smells like mangoes, and it really makes the paint pop and shine really good. So I can't wait to get back out, take some more photos. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Hit the bell notification for future videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.